show my arms. I can still show my arms. My sickening pythons. Yes. Sickening. Sickening. Let's get it. Wide grip. Wide grip burning those pectoral majors.
My accidental catch grip. Check this out. My bad.
I'm sick.
He gets it twice.
I'm gonna go with 2.
I say he gets it twice. You say 2?
Prove us all wrong. It's all
Prove us wrong, JG. Come on, 2 cart. Looks like we were right.
Fuck, got 2. That sucks. I usually get 4. I got 4 last time. What the fuck is up with that shit? 50% loss. 50% loss in strength.
2 cart did 2 reps.
It sucks, man. I usually get 4. What the fuck is up with that shit? Fucking bullshit shit. Gay shit. I need more Skittles. I need more Skittles. I think we need more rainbows.
I think you do too.
Yeah. Yeah.
What are you admiring yourself dancing in the mirror? Do you do that naked in your bathroom when you get out of the shower?
Let's do wide grip working on pectoral majors.
Are you going to be here Saturday morning? So I could officially wish you a sickening happy birthday?
Yeah.
You will?
No, we're not taking a break. We're going here. Burning like a motherfucker.
Come on.
We're gonna go back. Put more weight on there.
Oh my God, you're using a 10-pound plate?
Well, I'm burning. I'm doing
This is absolutely sickening pissening. You're not going up in 45-pound increments.
Because I'm doing pyramids, that's why. Oh my God.
Come on.
Oh!
Up.
Oh!
That's a really steep incline, Jason. You should... Jason, let's lower this one. That's practically a shoulder press. There you go. I'm gonna go do a set, okay? You should have to pay Adam $50 every time you dance in the weight room.
Like an idiot.
That should be the rule.
65.
Actually, I think you should have to pay me.
Here we go.
All right, we adjusted the bench. Much better angle for an incline press.
Representing World Good this morning, delray. Sickening. Beach.
Come on, 2 cart.
I am okay. One more set. Go a little heavier until we can't do it anymore. We'll go, we're gonna make this hurt. Ah. 75. 70. I'll go 70.
Why don't you rest for a minute, man? You're out of breath.
No rest on 2%.
This is a heavy set, though.
Doesn't matter. That makes the muscle blow up. It's gonna lose air.
Did you do that?
No.
You got hungry, took a big bite out of the floor.
No, I didn't take
That's $10 you owe Adam
No, it's
for
not.
taking a chunk out of the floor.
I didn't do that. I don't know where that came from. Go fuck from me.
I know.
70, sickening. 70. Oh, this guy.
You're getting me dizzy, Jason. I need a Dramamine to film you. Don't stop. Don't stop.
I'm done.
Don't stop. Come on.
One more. I can't do it anymore. Failure.
Set. Good set.
Alright, here we go. It's gonna hurt bad.
Good. Good. Yep.
Sickening.
Good intensity this morning, 2 cart.
2 cards. Tupac. It's Tupac. 2 cards. Oh my god. Flies. 50s.
Incline flies. I don't know if I've ever seen you do these. Not bad, not bad. Try to open it up a little more, a little
I don't
wider.
want to rip my back, rip my chest.
If your chest was at a rip, I think it would have ripped already after all these years. Come down slow. You're...
We'll do one more set right now. I'll be right back.
He'll be in later.
Oh, you will? All right.
I'm using that.
Jesus Christ, I can't use it.
Jason just alphaed up on you, Chuck. I'm using that.
I was just gonna use it as a stand, just to set shit on.
You can use Jason's head for that. Jason's alpha upping on the rest of the alpha upping, whatever the term is, on the other delray misfits.
Rest time.
Come on.
2 more.
Kaboom.
I love how my brain functions, man.
You make me feel like dancing. I want to dance the night away.
Is it wrong to think that there's a difference between being alpha and acting alpha? Knowing what you're capable of.
Well, if you have to go out of your way to act alpha, you're not really alpha. Someone who's truly alpha will never try to act alpha. It just happens on its own. Jace?
I was gonna say, like, my insides, I'm scared of what I'm capable of. Therefore, I just don't give a fuck no more.
Working my rectal abdominals, my obliques, my core, my midsection, the love handles, trying to get rid of those love handles. God, it burns my ass. Look at that 8-pack and that 6-pack. 6-pack of beer. Oh.
Is this thing hard? I've never actually tried it.
It's not that hard. You get used to it. Contraction.
All right, 2 cart. I have to do a set.
Alright.
Jason, how many times have I told you you must recharge the battery on your camera before you do a video?
Fully charged.
You're down to 1 bar. You might want to get a new battery if it doesn't hold the charge like that. I think you're lying. I think you didn't charge it.
I did charge it. It was full. Yeah.
It would not go down to 1 bar after 13 minutes if you charge it this morning.
Battery shot will be.
What's that?
The battery shot will.
This is a pretty new camera. I think it would take... When Jason screams like that, he's trying to drown out what I'm saying.
Of course I am.
I figured Jason out. The louder Jason grunts, the more he's trying to drown out whatever it is I'm saying while he's working out.
Gotta be attention all in.
Or he'll go, ah, it burns, it burns. Look, he knows I'm right.
I don't know what burn feels like. It smells like burn.
When Jason gets that little grin and doesn't respond to me, I know he knows I'm right. Come on, get it.
Lightweight now. Lightweight. I'm gonna burn out on this pump. Get a peek. Stretch it. Get that stretch.
Come on, 2 cart.
2 carded.
Sickening.
Jason, soon enough, they'll be calling you 4 cart, then 6 cart, then 10 cart. As you get stronger and stronger, you'll be pushing more shopping carts.
Yeah.
Soon they'll be calling you 50 cart. Well, 1 cart?
1 cart.
Is it no cart?
0 carts.
Half a cart?
All right, let's
What now?
Let's curl this.
What?
Let's curl this.
Let's curl this.
drop.
Hey, what's up, dude?
Ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Start out.
I just had a great idea. You know how Flavor Flav wears a clock around his neck?
Yeah.
You should wear that body fat tester thing around your neck on a big gold rope chain. You'd be like Flavor Flav. You can test it anytime you want. Sickening reverse pyramids. Reverse drop sets. Whatever you want to call it.
Run out.
Peace out. Squeeze the bicep at the top. Right there. Squeeze, squeeze. There you go. Pretend you're on stage hitting a front double bicep. Squeeze that bicep. Good. There you go. Good. I'm trying to tell him, squeeze, squeeze. Come on.
Oh. Oh.
Good. Getting a good workout this morning, Jason.
Yeah.
Good stuff. I like the intensity.
Yeah.
Very good intensity.
Yeah, very good intensity. Let's do flies over there real quick. 1 second.
You have about 2 minutes left, Chief. All right.
Sickening. How many minutes we got?
You have 1 minute and 15 seconds to cart. One minute.
I'm about to give a shout out and say goodbye to all my friends. Shout out to all my friends and all my fans around the world. Shout out to PJ and Adam and Aaron. And shout out to all the collabs. Shout out to Ian McCarthy. And shout out to all my friends and fans. All right, peace out. Bye.
Peace out.